Hello class, I wanted to reach out to you at the start of this week and just say hello and make sure everybody's doing okay. So far it looks like people are understanding the course and are excited about studying the principles of the gospel that are found in the Articles of Faith. This week we will have the opportunity to study Article of Faith number 2. The purpose of this screencast is just to show you how I would navigate the course. Many of you have done this before. You might have different ways. That's just fine. I did have a few questions about some of this, and so I just wanted to make sure everyone could see and follow along on a screencast. And so this is our home screen for our course. And one of the easiest things you can do to go through it here is to come down and click on the week that we're on. And then it'll pull up the modules for that week. And so as we click on the introduction here, you'll see the wonderful introduction video that you've all will watch. List the Article of Faith as we get to study the fall and our accountability. You'll see the learning goal focus for the week, and this week it's becoming a covenant keeper. That's going to be very important when we get to the reflection and synthesis assignment. It will ask you, there'll be a portion of that that is specifically about the learning goal focus. And so this week it's becoming a covenant keeper, and that's where you'll find it every week, what that learning goal focus is. After you go through and watch the video, you can mark that as done and then click down here on next. The next module that will bring you to is the question and answer support form. Now this is an option for you to go to. If you have questions, it's meant to just have discussions with the course. And so if you ever have any questions, this is a great place to post that, but it's not required that you would need to post something here. Okay. The next one you'll get to is the personal study. And so this week you'll see there's two basic topics, the fall and agency and personal accountability. They're dropped down. So if you click on that, I love that it gives us some truths to ponder as we go through these scriptures to focus our discovery a little bit more. There may be other things that stand out to you, and that's awesome. And then the personal accountability drops down as well. And so there's those readings that you'll study throughout the week. And this then will be the material that you'll use as you share your initial insights with your group. Again, looking for those connections, patterns, themes, and CPT is the abbreviation for that. But this should be done by Wednesday night. Now, the wonderful thing about this course is that there's a pattern that it follows for every week. And so you'll have your initial insight assignments. You'll have your final insight assignments. Those initial insights are always due on the Wednesday. Your final insights are always due on the Saturday night, as well as the other assignments for the course, the reflection and synthesis, and then the weekly report. It gives you some instructions to go through. Again, we're sharing at least 3 references that have stood out to us from the week. And make sure that you include at least one question. And as I reviewed those discussion boards last week, it looked great. There were some wonderful questions, and I loved how you were engaging and sharing personal insights and experiences to help people find some answers to those questions and deepen our understanding of it. So click on next, and it takes you to the final insight. Now with this, you are to pick 2 of your group members' questions and respond to those. Add insights to the conversation, draw on your own understanding. But you'll see this. Be sure to use this week's study materials to help you. Now, that may mean you share a reference or a quote or something like that, and it may mean that the thoughts that have come to your mind from studying will be articulated in your response. Again, just clicking next takes you through. This is the weekly reflection. You download the reflection and synthesis report template. That will be the same template for the rest of this course as you go through and do that, just specific with the Article of Faith we're studying, and the learning goal focus will be changing on that. So as you click on that, it'll open up the template, and then you all did well at submitting that as well. This gives you a rubric to know what we're going to be looking at when we grade that. And then lastly, the assignment that you finish up with is just the weekly report as you go through and report and take that quiz and report on what you were able to accomplish for the week. It's really pretty straightforward. I love, again, the pattern that we fall into for the rest of this course. Helps us see and know when the due dates are, and so it'll be good that way. if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to post them either on that question and answer discussion board that we have for the week, or email me directly. I have really loved the questions and the responses that you've been sharing. Again, great opportunity to reflect on the fall. We stand uniquely as a Christian faith that praises Adam and Eve for their decision to partake of that fruit and to progress, to give us all the opportunity to come, to be here, to live. It was not just some random choice that was made because they thought the fruit tasted good. I am grateful for Mother Eve for her choice that she made, to give us all the opportunity. It is better that we should taste the bitter to know the sweet, as Eve taught us. And I look forward to your thoughts throughout this week's study. Thank you very much.